Welcome to Creation Technologies. Today we are going to discuss about value types and different types in C#. So first of all, we are just going to discuss about what is value types and what is reference types. Then also we will look at what are the examples of value types and reference types. And at the end, I'm just going to couple of examples of value types and reference types inside the programming languages. So start. So in case of our .NET, we have just two types are present. So for the first one is the value types and the second one is the reference types. So in case of the value types, the value is stored in the stack memory. But in case of the reference types, that data is stored in your heap memory. So in case of the value types, as the name implies, the value is directly stored in your memory. But in case of the reference types, the value is stored but its reference is referred you. Like whenever we are just in the day-to-day programming life, when we are just going to use a value type, so at that time the value type is stored in the stack memory, so directly the value will be accessed to your variable. But in case of the reference type, so when we just stored any type of value into the reference types, then at that time the reference of that value will be given to your variable. So by using the reference, we will access that value and we can use in like any other places. So this is all about the value types and the reference types. Now let me show you, let me tell you a couple of examples of value types and the reference type. So the examples of value types are like int, float, double, character, etc. And the couple of examples of the reference types are string, class, etc. So now let me show you a couple of examples like how we are storing the data in the value type as well as in the reference types. So now here you can see I'm inside the Visual Studio. So as I already explained you, the value types are like int, float, double, character, etc. So if I create int, let's say x, or you can give any other name, equal to 10. So this x, this 10 value is stored under the x variable, but it is stored in your stack memory. So whenever we just trying to access the value of x, so it will directly give you this 10 value from the stack memory. But let's say for the reference types, so our reference type example is string. Let's say str hello. All right. So this hello is basically a string, and that is stored under a particular memory. But whenever we are just trying to access this str variable, so that memory, what it will do, it will just send you the reference of this hello string. In place of sending you the whole hello string, it will just send you the reference of this hello string. So here you can use the float. Alright, so I can use double, I can use the double, character, etc. And for this reference type, I can use the class also. So that class is also a type of reference types. So this is all about the value type and the reference type. So the main core concept of the value type is it stores the data or value under the stack memory, and whenever we are just trying to access the value, then directly it will provide you the value. But in case of the reference type, it will stored under the heap memory, and it will provide you the reference of that string or whatever the data present under that reference. So now there is another concept called as the boxing and unboxing. So the boxing is nothing but about converting the value type to reference type is called as the boxing, and converting the reference type to value type is called as the unboxing. So this is all about the today's video. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel.